Well, just like a painting, it seems to me that every meal and special dish has a story to go with it. So let's peek in here right now. I'm making Quiche Lorraine for guests that are here painting out in the studio at the moment. Now that you've had a chance to peek, recently taught a workshop in the south of France, and this talented young woman named Delphine, who is a fabulous architect, especially when it comes to chocolate shops. She's amazing. Anyway, we all asked her if she would give us her recipe for quiche. So you can see that I've been trying to translate it. I don't know how well it worked, so I took several recipes that I could read, and I have put them all together now, and both recipes agreed that the last phase is 30 minutes, and so that's what I'm cooking right now. I'm in that 30-minute phase, and we'll see how this works out. 300 degrees, 30 minutes. And here we are. Doesn't that look beautiful? We'll find out in a minute. Now it's time to eat. Doesn't that just look delicious? And I did get it cooked all the way to the center, so it's a perfect day.